Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupees City YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to cast your mobile phone screen using source copy and a debug bundle. For which you have to download scrcpy file software in your PC, which stands for screen copy. This application provides display and control of Android device connected via USB over TCP or IP. I will leave that link in the description of this. You can go to releases, latest one, scroll down, you can see assets from here download. I'm using Windows 64, you download here. Windows 32 goes here. It's about 3-4 MB. Extract all, extract. Let's cut and paste it in the C drive. And add it to environment variable, environment part variable. Let's check it in command prompt. It will be scrcpy. It won't work as there is nothing here. Take your phone and connect using this USB cable. So the steps to be done after connecting it with this ADB devices, emulator, scrcpy. 086473127 2012975. dash d. Here you can see my phone screen, and this is command prompt. We have run the command scrcpy. This is the phone I'm using. So, keeping keeping and screencasting like this will help you a lot, because what happens in your lab you can physically see without looking from laptop to phone, and from phone to laptop. It's time taking process. You got locked. Go to settings, search for developer options, DAB, alpha, PER. You can see developer options here. If not available, that go to system, go to my phone, type build number 9 times, then you will get a developer option. Inside will be disabled. Sorry, I have done a mistake here. scrcpy slash t screen ADP devices. This USB debugging has not been enabled. ADP devices scrcpy slash t. It will take a minute and it's handled. After getting into developer option, it is use developer options, enable it. After that, you enable USB debugging so that you can catch the screen with screen copy command. Otherwise, it won't work. You can also do wireless debugging, but I don't know. I will make a video if I know it in further video cases. You can increase or reduce the speed of your device by changing its animations, transition animation skills. That's it for this video. You can run your apps from here. Let me open Solaron. Later, go to launch. And recently, two courses were added to this. Programming languages. Game development and response. Game development and web development fundamentals were recently added to its Solaron. And you can gain basic knowledge of most of the languages like C, C++, PHP, Java, Ruby, Angular, and so many others. React web development, Python data structures, Kotlin, Angular, Next.js, jQuery, C, Go, C++, Python core. Python has separately 5 to 6 courses in this. That's it for this video. Please like, share, and 1 minute I will show you this. It is typing time. Most of the members are seeing but not subscribing to this channel. Only 2% out of the visitors who are watching this video are subscribing. So please subscribe who are not yet subscribed yet, so that you can gain knowledge about web development and software installations and their use cases from my videos. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video a valuable one. Thank you.